Good evening, and it's great to have you with us as we start another week together here. And we begin tonight with that breaking headline. We learned just before we came on the air tonight that the FDA has just authorized the Pfizer vaccine for children now 12 to 15 years old. This means millions of young people will now be vaccinated, and the hope, of course, that both shots will happen well before the next school year. The FDA issuing that emergency use authorization for Pfizer's vaccine for adolescents after the company reported it was 100% effective in that age group with no safety concerns. This marks a major step forward for parents hoping to get the rest of the family vaccinated. And tonight, the numbers here. 150 million Americans have now received at least one dose. That's 58% of all adults. And tonight, could there soon be new guidance on wearing masks? Dr. Anthony Fauci saying as cases come down in the U.S., the CDC will likely look at loosening guidance for masks indoors, also suggesting the possibility of seasonal masks, depending on what we see with the virus as we move forward. But first tonight, news on that emergency use authorization for Pfizer and adolescents. And ABC's Victor Kendo leading us off tonight from Miami.
Tonight, a major step toward the vaccination of millions of American children.
Oh, it doesn't hurt at all.
The FDA authorizing the Pfizer vaccine for 12 to 15-year-olds after the company reported it was 100% effective in adolescents with no safety concerns.
I think these are great news, not only for the young kids, but also for the parents, grandfathers, and for the American society in general. So now we can substantially expand the number of people that will get protected. And particularly, we can go all the way to the entire high school and going down almost all the way to the middle school. So these are very, very good news.
Vaccinating children critical to reopening schools in the fall. Layla Farinsky and Isabella Farney volunteered for the trial.
You should do it to help your family, to help your elders, really to do it to keep everyone safe. 1 day of sickness versus you have a really versus 2 weeks, or it could get really sick. You could get really sick. If everyone's vaccinated, it will help everyone. They'll help the whole world.
With 152 million shots in arms, a new incentive for vaccination. Dr. Anthony Fauci signaling Americans may soon see relaxed guidelines for wearing masks indoors.
We do need to start being more liberal as we get more people vaccinated. As you get more people vaccinated, the number of cases per day will absolutely go down. We're averaging about 43,000 a day. We've got to get it much, much lower than that. When that gets lower, the risk of any infection, indoor or outdoor, diminishes dramatically.
Saying even after the pandemic, Americans may choose to wear masks during certain times of the year, like flu season, to cut the risk of spreading diseases.
I think people have gotten used to the fact that wearing masks, clearly, if you look at the data, diminishes respiratory diseases.
And Victor Kendo joins us now from Miami tonight. And Victor, walk us through this new timeline on this news involving the Pfizer vaccine. With the FDA now giving this emergency use authorization, how soon could we see young people, 12 to 15 again, getting this vaccine? And do they receive the same dose, 2 shots?
David, adolescents will receive the same dose as adults. We expect an independent advisory panel to meet on Wednesday to discuss a recommendation to the public. All indications are the CDC director will sign off and vaccinations could start within days. David?
All right, Victor Kendo leading us off with the breaking news tonight. Victor, thank you.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.